Sigma 16 to 28 millimeter f2.8. This lens is very wide, so we are gonna get a lot of landscape photography, and it's also good for video. Indeed, we are shooting a video today with this lens.
Is relatively low weight at 450 and it's compact, so it fits very nice in my bag. What I like is that you can mount, as I said, the filter thread on top, and the zoom and the focus, everything is internal, so it doesn't move, which means it flies very well on a gimbal. But today we have it handheld thanks to the camera woman. And what about my final impressions about this lens? Again, I will show you a couple of pictures. I want to show you how they are sharp and nice. I'm not a good photographer by any means, so take them just as samples for the picture themselves of the camera, not as nice photography.
Wide open, like 2.8, meaning it actually replaced my prime now. I can do most of the focal range I need with just this lens, because on a full frame camera, 28mm, on aps-c crop, 35mm. So actually you really get 16 to 35mm in a compact form. Now this lens is not perfect, because there are indeed 16 to 35mm f2.8 of the Sony G Master, but it's super heavy and it costs 2 grams, while this lens below 1 gram. What about the optical performance? So optical performance is really good. I mean, this lens is sharp, really sharp, to the point that actually it's sharper than my prime lens. So it completely replaces them, really, for good. And about the color, really nice saturated color you get out of lens.
But overall, I'm really impressed. I liked it, and I don't know, I just feel like shooting more. Now that I have this lens, I like it, I put it in the kit, I go out and shoot. So it means that it works. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe if you did, leave me a comment, leave me a like, and I will see you in the next one.